So for the 100 years from 1900 to 2000, the Moselle River in Canada flooded on average 0.16 times per year. The rate of flooding is believed to follow a Poisson distribution, and Bob believes that due to climate change, the river is flooding more often. So to test this hypothesis, he researches and finds that over the past 20 years, the river has flooded 7 times. So we're going to state the null and alternative hypothesis. Well, it's going to be Poisson, and we're going to test this mean of 0.16 times per year. And so we believe it is this, which is 0.016 times 20 years is 3.2. And because we want it more often, we're going to show that it's bigger than 3.2, so flooding more than that often. And so because it's Poisson, I know that I know it happened. This is my sample. If I'm going to test the hypothesis at 5%, I want to find the probability of being more than or equal to 7. And so if I look at this scenario here, if I consider this, right, here's my 7. All these little bubbles are probability, and I'm looking for the probability to be 7 and bigger, all of these ones. And so that's going to be my critical region. And so I introduce my random variable to Poisson, 3.2, and then I'm going to find the probability that x is bigger than or equal to 7, so all this green region. But I have to recognize that my calculator doesn't do it. So I have to consider all this, because I know this green region here, all that goes all the way off to infinity. This goes all the way, right? And this whole bit here is 1. So if I take this part here, like over here is 0, all the way up to 6, and I know it doesn't count to 6, but all the way up to 6. If I take 1, which is blue, subtract all this red, I will get the green that I'm looking for. And so that's how my calculator works. When I put it into the calculator, this is what I put in the calculator, 3.2. If you take a look up here, you do 3.2 up to 6, and that gave us the 0.446. And so my p-value is 0.446. Because p is smaller than alpha, we reject the claim, and we reject H0 and claim support for the river flooding more than 0.16 per year. I hope that helps.